It's never too early to compare the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the S23 Ultra, particularly with rumors circulating that Samsung's next flagship phones may be introduced sooner than normal. The Galaxy S24 is expected to be released in January 2024, which means we won't have to wait long to enjoy the premium features of the new Ultra variant. Early rumors regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra point to camera improvements and a possible system-on-chip update. There are also rumors that it will be inspired by the iPhone 15 Pro models and will use a new material in its construction. In addition, we anticipate a display with quicker refresh rates compared to earlier models. To outperform its predecessor, the S23 Ultra, which was rated as one of the year's best phones, Samsung will need to make some modifications. However, with the arrival of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, Samsung now has more incentive to significantly enhance its Ultra phone. In this comparison of the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra, we'll look at what current rumors regarding the phones indicate. Here's what we know thus far. According to leaked CAD drawings and mockups, the forthcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra won't have alterations compared to the S23 Ultra, albeit a little less rounded shape has been discussed. There were rumors that the Ultra model will have bezels around the display, however further leaks show that the Ultra model's design is unaffected. The materials utilized by Samsung, however, may be a considerable difference. According to rumors, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use titanium materials, similar to what Apple used in their iPhone 15 Pro series. This choice to titanium may result in a phone that is better compared to its predecessors, which would be a plus for the S24 Ultra. Furthermore, rumors suggest that Samsung may not restrict this adjustment to the Ultra model, it may also affect the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. The S24 Ultra's panel may be modified while still sporting a 6.8-inch display like its predecessor. Given Google's and Apple's use of screens in some of their phones, Samsung may feel obligated to improve the brightness of its premium phone. According to one speculation, the S24 Ultra's panel's peak brightness might grow from 1750 nits to 2500 nits. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.